Darla. Well, I had a chance to go to the range with my good friend Sean, and he decided to show off his 300 Blackout PSA 8.5-inch upper AR pistol. And I figured I'd have you come along with me, and maybe Darla too. I'll see you at the range. So I'm here at the range with my friend Sean. We're shooting his PSA Palmetto State Armory 300 Blackout with an 8.5-inch barrel with a suppressor. Let's just quick go over the features. Let's start out with the suppressor. It's a Dead Air Sandman L, which is on a Dead Air key mod muzzle brake. As for the PSA barrel itself, it's an 8.5-inch 1-in-8 twist. A superlative arms, low profile, adjustable gas block with bleed off. Sean also replaced the trigger with a Geisley SSAE enhanced trigger group. Your standard SB tactical AR pistol brace. As for the optics, we're looking at a Sig Sauer 4H Romeo red dot with a 4X Juliet flip to the side magnifier and an Armageddon gear suppressor cover. All right, Sean, that looks pretty darn good, man. Let's go see how you did at the 50-yard mark. Well, Sean, I'd say that's pretty darn impressive for 50 yards. I would say your best group here is probably your top middle here. I'm guessing that's right around about a 1-inch group. Worst group is probably your bottom left. I'm gonna guess offhand, probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. I definitely will know better once we get back to the reloading room and we can score this up with the on-target program. But yeah, that's really impressive. What ammo was that?
That was a Remington 220 grain 300 Blackout.
Okay.
UMC.
And if there's a chance you're interested in loading for this 300 Blackout, you know, the brass looks pretty good. it's a little beat up. I mean, the neck opening has a little bit of a dent in it, but I don't think that's a big issue. There's no cratering on the primers. It looks good for reloading. Yeah, that's awesome. So let's take this back to the reloaded room, score this up, and go from there. Well, before I take off, I'd just like to say thank you once again to Sean for showing off your PSA 8.5 inch 300 Blackout AR pistol. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you next time.